Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts. Are you ready to take your gardening game to the next level? Today, I've got something super exciting to share with you. We're talking about a revolutionary method that will transform the way you start your seeds. Trust me, folks, this is a game changer. You see these little guys right here? They hold the potential to grow into beautiful, flourishing plants. But getting them started off right can sometimes be a bit tricky. That's where our new method comes in. Forget about traditional methods of starting seeds in pots or trays filled with soil. We're taking a different approach, one that's simpler, cleaner, and incredibly effective. So what's the secret? Drumroll, please. It's hydroponic seed starting. Now, don't let the fancy name intimidate you. Hydroponics simply means growing plants without soil. And trust me, it's easier than you might think. All you need is a few basic supplies, some water, nutrients, a container, and of course, your seeds. No messy soil, no guesswork, just pure, efficient growth. Just take a look at these seedlings. They're thriving, they're healthy, and they're ready to be transplanted into the garden. And the best part? With hydroponics, you can start your seeds any time of year, regardless of the weather outside. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but won't it be complicated to set up? Not at all, my friends. In fact, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. All you need to do is follow a few simple steps and you'll be on your way to seed starting success. Step 1. Fill your container with water and add the appropriate amount of nutrients. Step 2. Place your seeds in a floating tray or a specially designed seed starting system. And Step 3. Sit back, relax, and watch as your seeds sprout and grow into strong, healthy plants. See, I told you it was easy. And the benefits of hydroponic seed starting don't stop there. Not only does hydroponic seed starting result in faster growth and healthier plants, but it also conserves water and eliminates the risk of soil-borne pests and diseases. Plus, it's perfect for those with limited space, as you can set up a hydroponic system just about anywhere, from your kitchen counter to your balcony. So there you have it, folks. The future of seed starting is here, and it's hydroponic. Say goodbye to messy soil and hello to a simpler, more efficient way of growing your own food and flowers. Give it a try, and I guarantee you'll be amazed by the results. Happy gardening, everyone!